Can't really see anything.
Bitch, what time you got PE?
Okay, gotta like this.
Third period, you got it. Third period.
Come on, dude.
Well done, Declan. You know what? I'll meet you right in front of Mr. Baines' class. It's going to be on my Vertex against your tentacles. Okay?
Alright, do the jerk.
Alright, well, bye. Thank you,
Do the
pussy.
jerk.
Bye.
Okay. The jerk.
Can you do the reject? I can't do it. Can you do the reject? Allie, try and do the reject with me. It's like.
Oh my ankle!
You can do it.
I will pop a cap in your eye. It's like, oh bitch, you got skill.
Okay, be like.
My coach goes,
Am I
that's
doing
the way
it?
they
Am I even doing it, Allie?
Very
Am I even doing it? Hold on. I can't
Very
freaking do it.
yeah, I convinced her to go to school.
Okay.
We're gonna
You go like this.
He's like a nigga. Ain't no nigger. I'm like, I'm freaking like Lil Wayne on me, Jimmy.
Well, I'm gonna try and do the jerk. Okay. I'm gonna try and do the reject. Okay. It's gonna end up badly. Okay.
You know it's really dark, right?
Am I doing it? I can't even tell.
I can't even really see it. How?